Today, I'll discuss about mean center of population. Mean center of population is an important and very popular quantitative mapping techniques in geographical data. Mean center of population and its locational shift is an important technique of point pattern analysis. Mean center can be determined by the location of geocenter. In a map, mean center can be located as a point. This technique has been used by J. Hilgard in the year of 1872 for analysis of westward shifting tendency of population in USA. Mean center of population has been used to identify, determine and analysis the concentration, distribution and shifting pattern of population over different time. Distance of x and distance of y coordinate of geocenter is determined for calculation of mean center of the particular region. Now the total population that is associated with a particular census year of an administrative unit, location of geocenter of that particular administrative unit are two main important components have to keep in mind when you are going to calculate a mean center of population. Now the mean center denote about the average concentration of population of a particular area. Now the calculation procedure. In the step 1, you need to fit x and y coordinate at the outside of the boundary by touching the extreme extent of the boundary in the south and west and mark scale on it that will be in centimeter. Now the step 2, locate the geocenter of every sub-administrative unit on the given map by x and y coordinate. In step 3, you need to calculate the distance along x and y coordinate between the geocenter and the main axis line, that is predefined x and y axis. Now you need to make a table that is the data and calculation table that has separate part. One is serial number, next column head is administrative unit, next column head is total population, that is denoted by capital P. Now the x distance in centimeter, y distance in centimeter. Now the xp and xp and yp. You need to summation the total population, xp and yp of all the administrative unit. In the step 5, to get xp value of each sub-administrative unit, to multiply total population, that is p, with the x distance along x axis of geocenter. In the step 6, to get yp value of each sub-administrative unit, do multiply total population, that is capital P, with y distance along y axis of the geocenter. Now in step 7, do summation of total population, xp and yp. And the step 8, that is the last step, you need to calculate the mean center, the position of the mean center that is represented by xc and yc. Now the mapping procedure. In step 1, you need to locate the geocenter that may be shown by black dot encircled by red circle. Coordinate in step 2, coordinate of geocenter may be shown by brown dotted or discontinuous line. In step 3, location of mean center may be shown by black dot encircled by the red circle. In step 4, the coordinate of mean center shown by the black continuous line. In step 5, coordinate, that is the main, fitted in the outside of the map boundary, that is in bottom and left hand side in the map, should be in black color. Now the title. What would be the title of the map? That is the mean center of population. And what will be the subtitle of the map? What will contain the subtitle? That will contain the sub and administrative unit, the time of data, that is the census year. Now in the last step, that is the step 8, you need to fix a index content. What will be the index content and what are the component of the index content? One is geocenter, coordinate of geocenter, mean center and coordinate of mean center. That is the location of geocenter, that is the distance, x distance and that is the y distance of every geocenter point from the fixed coordinate line y and x. Geocenter located by black dot with green circle, and coordinate of the geocenter demarcated by the brown dotted or discontinuous line, and length also demarcated in this map. That is the data and calculation table for mean center of population in the district of West Bengal for the year of 1981. That is the district, that is the total population of the census year, that is the x distance, y distance, xp and yp. Now that is the summation of p, that is the summation of xp, yp, and that is the formula of the mean center along the x and y axis. That is the xc and that is the yc. What is the xc? That is the summation of xp divided by summation of p. Then I will get that 7.58 centimeter for xc for the year of 1981. And what will be the yc formula? That is summation yp divided by summation p. That is the y location of particular this area. Now I will go for the location of sheep. So I have selected 4 year, that is I have already done 1981. Next, that is the location of 1981, that is the mean center, and that is the geocenter, and that is the location of the mean center, that is the value of the mean center, that is the district of West Bengal for the census of year of 1981. Now I will go for the 1991. That is the 1991 mean center point. That is the location of mean center in the year of 1991. Now I will go for 2001. That is the calculation table of mean center for 2001. That is the xc and yc value for the year of 2001. That is the plotting. That is the location of mean center. That is the plotting of geocenter and mean center for 2001. That is the 2011. That is the mean center value of 2011. That is the plotting of 2011 value. Now the locational shift of the mean center. That is the locational shift. I put it here the mean center point, mean center location of 4 different years, that is 1981, 1991, 2001 and 2011. That is the locational shift towards the northward, and that is the 4th time enlargement of this area of this map. That location, after enlargement you can easily identify what is the location tendency and the shifting tendency of population of West Bengal during 1981 to 2011. That is the quantification table of locational shift of mean center of population of the district of West Bengal during 1981 to 2011. That is the x, that is changing, that is increasing, now it is decreasing, and the y is increasing. That is the quantification table, and by this table you can easily identify what is the shifting, that the population center or the mean center of population of West Bengal is shifting day by day. For further information, further study, you can go through these books. That will be very helpful for you.